Here I have CUBOT Max 2 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here open the list of all apps, choose settings right here. Then you need to scroll down and choose system. From the following list, let's choose advanced, choose reset options and select here reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's choose reset apps and that's it. The operation is completed. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.